how to enable or disable reachability on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we swipe up to go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Reachability to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can swipe down at the bottom here to bring the top of the screen down halfway, or swipe up at the top here to bring it back to the top. And that is how you can turn on or turn off reachability, so that you can easily reach the top of your screen even with one hand like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.